Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing the exact anchor cell that will hold your view steady. Click the cell immediately below and to the right of the area you want fixed. Then go to the View tab and choose Freeze Panes, then freeze panes again so Excel locks both rows and columns. This prevents the worksheet from shifting when you scroll. Once done, test with arrow keys and mouse wheel to confirm the correct rows and columns remain visible. Adjust anchor if necessary. Next, you control multiple view areas by using Split for independent scrolling regions. Go to View and click Split to get resizable panes. Drag the split bars to set the horizontal and vertical breakpoints. This lets you compare distant parts of the sheet without losing context. Make sure to combine freeze panes with Split when you need a permanently locked header plus movable comparison windows. Once configured, scroll each pane independently. To finish, verify the layout and preserve it. Save the workbook or create a template so the stop scrolling setup persists. If something goes wrong, unfreeze panes from the View menu and start again. That usually fixes misplaced anchors. Also check for accidental splits or multiple windows. Arrange or close them to restore normal behavior. If freezing seems ignored, ensure you aren't in page layout view. Switch to normal view and reapply freeze panes to make the stop scrolling behavior reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.